Do you enjoy a challenge? Are you a problem solver? Would you like to serve and protect your community? Then consider the Public Safety and Law pathway at Prince George's Community College. This pathway prepares you for careers in law enforcement, corrections, fire science, emergency medical services, forensic science, the court system, and other legal settings.
Well, we have associate degree programs in criminal justice, forensic science, the paralegal program, and those all lead to careers in law enforcement, forensic science, or those who may want to work in the legal or judicial system in local, state, and federal courts.
Courses offered in the Public Safety and Law pathway focus on concepts, theories, and practices of policing, investigation, forensic science, and law.
When you get into the programmatic courses, it depends on what program you're in. If it's criminal justice, then you're going to start getting those intro to criminal justice courses, crime scene investigation, community policing, juvenile delinquency. On the fire side, if a student wants to volunteer with a company in Prince George's County or one of the surrounding jurisdictions, they can do that, and then they come here to get their gen ed courses and a couple of other specialized courses.
This pathway provides hands-on training and prepares students for these types of jobs.
Some of my students are currently employed with law enforcement agencies, the courts, and some are even continuing their academic journey.
It's creating a building block for my career, whether I continue on criminal justice or if I continue in a different path. It allows me to be well-rounded.
Think about this. Academic and career programs in the Public Safety and Law pathway will prepare you for transfer and in-demand jobs with high earning potential.
Starting salary can be as low as $35. It depends on the agency that the student is interested in or trying to seek employment from, and it could go up to $90,000, $95,000.
There are a lot of openings in these career fields. I talk to chiefs and personnel directors around the state on a regular basis, and they're always seeking introduction to people who are available for these positions. So if you're interested in a career in one of these fields, now is a great time to explore that opportunity, because the openings are definitely there around the country.
Whether you're planning on transferring to a university or finding a job, PGCC offers both 2-year degrees and shorter certificate programs you can complete in no time. For more information, visit our website, meet with an advisor, and start your career path in public safety and law at Prince George's Community College.